Yes, students, next we are going to do on page number 73, scripts area. Script area is a place where you create a script for a sprite to do a particular task. The script is created by dragging the instructions from the blocks palette and dropping them stepwise on the top of each other. Now you can see where is the script area. This is the script area. What you can do in this, steps are written. One by one steps are written. Sometimes you want to change the steps. Then what you can do? You can drag that step and drop it here. Like here you can see, here with the help of left click you can select. After that you can hold it and drag it. Then you can drop it here wherever you want to. Script is also called a program. Now stepwise instructions we have read already. One step, second step, third step, fourth step. This all group of steps is known as program. Let us learn to drag and drop the blocks on the script area. This you can see blocks are there. First you can select the block with the help of left click. Then you can move it outside wherever you want to drop it. Next one, come to page number 74. On 74 page number, creating new sprite using paint editor. Paint editor means in paint you can draw your own drawing. So many tools are there. You all know all the tools. Text is there, brush is there, pen is there, pencil is there, different types of colors are there, shapes are there. With the help of those things you can draw your own shape and that you can use it as a sprite. Click on the Paint New Sprite button. The Costumes window appears where you can draw and paint your own sprite. Now you can see here this is the Paint New Sprite button, this one. Paint New Sprite button is there. From here you can select the costume. From the costume you can draw your own sprite. Use the bitmap tool to draw a sprite. The new sprite appears on the stage and gets added to the sprite list. Now you can see this is the bitmap tool. With the help of bitmap tool, you can add your drawing in the library. You can drag and drop the sprite to a desired position on the stage. You can use the zoom button to increase or decrease the size of the sprite. Now what you can do, you can drag it also, drag and drop it on the stage. You can drag this image and drop it on the stage. Second thing you can do, you can increase. Here zoom button is there, plus sign is there, minus. With the help of plus you can increase the size of the sprite. With the minus you can decrease the size. Next one is to import a sprite. Import means already any picture is there in your computer that you want to add it in your stage. Click on the import button in the costumes window. The select file to upload app scratch.swf dialog box appears. Now you can see this type of dialog box will appear from where you can import. Import means where your file is kept, which picture, where your file is saved, that you can select on download or on desktop, wherever it is saved. Then you can click on that location, that file will appear, click on that, then open. Then that picture or file, whichever you want to upload in your sprite, it will be uploaded. Select a file from the desired location and click on the open button. The sprite will be added on the stage. Next one is saving. Now saving, it is done from the file tab. File tab, then save option. When save option will be there, a dialog box will appear. You will type the name of the file. Clear? Save project dialog box will appear. Choose the location, and location means where you want to save your file, in download, in documents, in desktop, wherever you want to save. Then you will type the name of the file. Then at the end here save button will be there. Clear? You will select the location. From here location will be there, desktop, download, wherever. Then you will type the name of the file. After that you will click on the save button. Your file will be saved.